do a banded squat. So by adding in a resistance band to your squat, you're gonna get some extra abductor work, so some outer glute, outer thigh work here. It's gonna make it that your knees wanna go in, but you're gonna use your glutes to keep them turned out. So find your squat stance, feet about hip width distance apart, knees tracking out, little tuck of the belly, lower back supported, core tight, shoulders back and down, chin lifted. Now I want you to press through the heels, start to drive your hips to the back, your knees bend as a result. Again, with this band, knees wanna come in, but you use your glutes a little bit more to keep them in that neutral position, slightly turned out, tracking in line with the toes. Give me a little hold at the bottom. Now squeeze the glutes, extend the legs, hold the hips forward, rise to the top. So chest should stay facing out in front. It's that hip drive to the back. Give me lower down for 4. Check in on those knees when you're in your hold at the bottom. Then we exhale, squeeze, extend to the top. You can always take the band out if for any reason you cannot control those knees and those knees keep turning in. I want you to take that band off, focus on your forearm.